If your site loads slow, looks bad on phones, or confuses visitors, they're leaving right now. What if your website actually worked for you? Turning clicks into customers 24/7? That's where we come in. We build websites that don't just look good, they make money.
I remember. I found WSIT 5 years back with the skills and experience I needed to build Flowsite. Since then, they have been working on this project as they own it. Guillaume Groost from Flowsite.
Our developers are among the world's best experts in their fields. Your application will profit from unparalleled improvement skill from a team acquainted with the most recent technologies and innovations. Over 15 years working in IT services, developing software applications and mobile apps for clients all over the world. For your industry, we have highly tailored software solutions. Tap the link below to claim your free audit. Let's build something amazing together.